Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. Today we will explore Adventure Cove Water Park, Singapore, where you can do lots of fun activities, adventure, and that's a great way to spend time with family and friends during these summer vacation. It is situated in Resort World at Sentosa Gateway, and we can go there by taxi or by Vivo train from Vivo City Mall or from Harbour Front. And we got ticket around 28 Sing dollar per person by carousel. That day sun was its peak and we reached around 12 o'clock afternoon. It was super hot day. So that's the entrance area for Adventure Cove Water Park. You need to show your tickets and safety check-in before get inside. And they will give you wristband which you have to wear it in water park, which will be show for each ride. When we enter it front, we can see locker area where we can put our valuable things in safe. We have to pay some sort of fees to get the locker, and beside that area there is a changing room and bathroom area for man and woman separately. In front of that there is a shop where you can buy all kind of swim related things. Now these are the things which you must carry whenever you go for water park to avoid unnecessarily shopping: swimsuit, goggles, sunscreen lotion and waterproof mobile pouch if you wish to capture pictures and video during water ride. So the main attraction points of this water park are a giant aquarium, water slides, a wave pool, tubing, snorkeling, kids pool, lazy river and many more, as you can see in these beautiful pictures. So very first we explore wave pool. Really, wave of fun is a thrilling experience for all of us. There are tubes available outside the pool with different sizes. Choose accordingly, or if you don't want, just skip it. During this period, park reduce guest capacity and observing tighter safe management. This is a lazy river journey and it is connected with giant aquarium where we can see lovely marine creatures. This stingfish is in very good mood, I guess, playing hide and seek game with us. It's a beautiful, amazing aquarium. Kids had really good time here. There are different sort of water slides. Some are easy, sparkle, twister, fun ride. Some are much thrilling. We had one or two slides, but not spend much time there, as we spend more time in wave pool, lazy river and kids pool area. As kids enjoyed much more here. There are underwater snorkeling available too, but with long queue. So we thought to do it next time, hopefully. These are some shops for food, mostly fast food available in these shops like hot dog, chicken nuggets, buns, french fries, ice creams. So we too had quick feast to refuel our energy. After that, we did again slides. Overall, it was really fantastic experience for us. On this note, ending this video now. Hope you enjoyed with us. Do like, share and comment if you like my videos, and who are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Will be see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.